Somebody need to come put this together because Good morning, guys. So my IKEA stuff just got delivered. It's very early. Like they said they're going to be here between 9 and 3, and it was literally like 8 o'clock, and they were like calling me. And then I finally woke up because my phone was like vibrating against a box, and that's the only reason why I woke up. So these 3 are mine. I got the Hemnes chest of 8 drawers, and then I got the boys the Rast dressers. They're just a small, like natural wood colored dressers, and I'm planning on staining them myself. So probably on a day when Ethan is not here, I'm gonna do that. And then I also got this mirror, you know, that big mirror that everybody has. It looks so much bigger in person. Like, what? Don't laugh at my pajamas. I've had this for like over 10 years, this love pink situation for like over 10 years. And like the more you wash it, the softer it gets. So it's just like so comfortable. I can't get rid of it. And this is a progress in the boys' room. So I just got their bed set up and their bookshelf is all set up. And that is a mirror that was actually in my old room. I'm gonna clean it. It's so dirty. They were watching a movie last night. Xavier got his Switch set up, so we still have some more books and stuff to put away. So we're making progress. And then my babies, you're like, where are your boys if they're not in? They are in my bed because, and this is a progress on the office area. Looking pretty good. Got this rug down, and my babies. And this is what I have done in my room. I was able to go to Lowe's and pick up the screws for my bed, so that was perfect. And I put this here, and I'm probably gonna put like, I don't know, maybe some pillows or something, a throw blanket or something. And then my dresser is going to go right here. Okay, so I'm like about to scream. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, let me get myself together. I ordered my couch off of Walmart.com. I told myself I wasn't going to spend more than $400 on a couch because I don't know if I've said this before, but this apartment is going to be my last apartment. The next time I move, whether that be in a year, 2 years, whatever, the next time I move, I'm buying a house. So whatever couch that I got for this place is going into the basement of my house, okay? So I told myself I wasn't going to spend more than $400. I was so nervous that this couch was going to like not be okay, but like it's okay. Oh my God. And I think I like how this is looking against the black. So let me keep putting it together. Open the bottom cloth. Somebody need to come put this together because okay, I'm good at putting things together. It's just been a while, okay? So everybody calm down. I got many screws, which is good. All right, wish me luck. Hey guys, so it is, let's see, I moved in on Saturday, so I've been here for almost a full week now, and yeah, it's been real. Like you see, it's still a mess. Everything is pretty much where it's gonna be. I do need to get a TV stand, and my table and everything is up. I'm using one of my kitchen chairs as a desk chair over there. I just put a pillow on it. Kitchen is a mess. And the boys' room is also a mess, but everything is just like pretty much where it's gonna be. And let me just show you what I have going on in my room. This is probably the biggest mess because I haven't really you know, stored anything properly. I'm putting together my dresser that was delivered. I got the Hemnes dresser in the gray color. So I have put together like the frame, and I put my TV on top. And over there is just some jewelry, and over there is just some jewelry and yeah, and my mirror that got delivered. I don't know if it's gonna stay there. I don't know how I like it, like right next to the dresser like that. I guess I wasn't anticipating the dresser being as big as it is. But that's great because I have a lot of things I need to store. My closet is pretty much packed. So this is what my closet is looking like. It is an actual mess. So these plastic bins with the drawers, I am actually going to be getting rid of those because now that I have a dresser, I can, you know, fold all of my, like my underwear and bras and stuff. They're all in there. And then, you know, like folded clothes I have been keeping in there for like the last 3 years, 2 or 3 years. So yeah, it is what it is. And then in here is like comforters and stuff, and I'll have more room to store this kind of stuff. Once I get rid of these two things, it's gonna like just open up this entire section. And this, you see this little space right here? I don't know if I want to utilize that or not. I think I may just get an over the door shoe shelf thing where you can like that has like the slots where you can put your shoes in, because I have bins upon bins of shoes. This is a boy's shoes, but my shoes are stored back there. And then, oh, I didn't show you guys this. I have my shower curtain up because I needed to shower, but it's so pretty. And I feel like the floors and the shower, this wasn't planned obviously, but the floors and the shower curtain and the vibe I'm going for in here is pretty cute. I haven't taken tags off. This is just a regular towel, but I do plan on putting using maybe this one or this one. I haven't decided to make it cute, but I haven't gotten that far. So, oops, sorry for my bra, but this is what the shelf is looking like so far. And this is what my under the sink storage is looking like. So I have a lot of just organizing to do. And my bed is together. This bed frame is just from Amazon, and I've had it for, I guess, almost a year now. It was in storage for a little bit. And then that's another bin of my shoes. So I think the project for today is, while Ethan is at daycare, is going to be to finish building the drawers. You see, last night I needed to hammer these things in, so I couldn't do it last night, which was annoying. I didn't want to disturb the neighbors and wake up the kids, so I just did as much as I could. And then I was like, this is stupid. It doesn't take that long to put it in. I guess it saved some time. So this won't take me that long. All the drawers are pretty much, you know, like they're together. They just need to be together, and I need to screw the these things on so I can actually put them in. So this is the couch. It's from Walmart, and it was $300. I ordered it online, obviously. It came in 2 boxes. It's very uncomfortable, but it will do for now. And the coffee table is from Amazon, and that was like $100, and it also came with a smaller side table, which I am using for my side table in my room. For now, I was thinking about getting in what is it called, nightstands for my room, but I don't think I need to. Like, I think it's an unnecessary expense for me right now. Here is my makeshift my makeshift, what is it called? TV stand. And here's all my donation stuff there. Basket from Marshall's. Here is the eating area and my bookshelf that I think I'm gonna leave there. I do think it looks a little uneven over here because I have the bookshelf over here and nothing like on this side. So I'm thinking maybe I'll move the bookshelf to this side and then put like a plant here maybe. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Somebody's emailing me right now. That, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's an empty storage bin. You saw that I used a lot of those to move, and for the most part I've been able to utilize them somewhere, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. The other chair, I ordered these from Amazon too. They were around $100 for 2 of them. The other chair I have over there at the desk. Oh, is that 2? I have over there at the desk. And here's the kitchen. I'm fixing Xavier something to eat. And it's a little messy, sorry. Here's the other half of Ethan's birthday cake, his homemade birthday cake. And here is a big mess because it's all trash and I haven't organized that or anything. But yeah, so it's just a few updates. I can't get in because Ethan's stool is there. Okay, so here's what we have so far in the boys' bathroom slash guest room. And there's their shower curtain in their room in there, which is a mess, and Xavier is in there watching something, so I won't. And there you see his happy birthday sign. My bed isn't made. I'm about to actually strip my bed and wash all of that stuff. But this is what my room is looking like. It's not, you know. And there is a dresser that took me forever to build. It is the IKEA Hemnes dresser. It took me like 3 days, which is not too bad, I guess. I did which actually it really was not that bad. I built the frame first. I did that in one night. Then the next day I put the back, because you have to hammer, and I didn't want to hammer like at midnight and have my neighbors upset with me already, and I just moved in. And it seems pretty sturdy. So then the next day I built the drawers as much as I could, or the next evening, and then you have to hammer like the sides and stuff together, so I couldn't do that. So then the following day I did all the hammering of the drawers together, and then I put them all in. But it seems to be really, really smooth. I was able to fit a bunch of stuff in here. I'm glad I went with the 8 drawers. I'm sure couples actually use this, but it worked for me because my closet is packed with stuff and needs to be organized. This is all like work jackets and stuff that needs to be hung up. Yeah, so there's a bunch of stuff where and there's like sheets and stuff up there. I just don't know what to do with a lot of stuff. And here I am. Hey, wait, can you see me? So this is the mirror. I'm loving the mirror so far. Yeah. And this is my bathroom, which is also a mess, but this is like 100% accurate of what stuff looks like. And then everything is pretty much in the same shade range. This is what I have going on over here. I'm going to look out for a new what is this, laundry basket. I'm gonna look out for a new laundry basket that will fit a little better. Like it could even be taller than this one, but just like skinnier, because like I want it to fit all the way in, because as you can see I can't open the door all the way, which is also fine, but my hips are wide, as you just saw in the last clip, so we'll be having some problems maneuvering. And then up here I have towels, washcloths, and hand towels, and then like just some stuff that I could not fit under there comfortably. Like it could probably fit under there, but then I would just be knocking stuff over to reach other stuff. So I mean, it's fine the way it is, I feel like. So in here I just have like some bath bombs, and this is all like bath stuff, and then my facial steamer, and then lotions and perfumes, and this is all like skincare stuff. My toothbrush and some more skincare stuff. There is some hand sanitizer in there. I have some scar stuff, nails. Really, this is not supposed to be in here. Ethan got to my like press-on nails at the beginning of quarantine, and I needed to put them somewhere, so I just put them in there so he can find them. This is all like Scentbird stuff. I used to have Scentbird. I loved it, but then I canceled it because I found out I was going to be moving, so I got rid of a bunch of unnecessary like subscriptions and stuff. So this is like makeup and lip liners and stuff. All this stuff probably needs to be, you know, gone through and thrown away, even though I did throw away a bunch of stuff already. So we have some extra tissue. There's makeup in there, Q-tips. I did have this in the boys' room, but I didn't like the idea of Ethan, the 2-year-old, being in the same bathroom with something like this. So if you're a mom, you know, like, no. And in here I have like scarves and stuff, which I've been wearing a lot of during the shutdown, lockdown, whatever, because I don't feel like doing my hair. And this hair stuff and more hair stuff, wax stuff, and brushes that I'm not using right now. And yeah, so that's all we have. As you can see, I'm storing shoes and boots underneath of there. So, and then here's some more perfume and a candle. This smells so good. And then just a few of my little jewelry pieces, and my little workout basket is there, which now I can't breathe. Yeah, so that's what it looks like so far. There's a little kitchen bandit. He's hungry and his food is in the oven. I need to get an air fryer because they're so much faster.
Hello.
Who are you?
I'm Xavier. Okay, bye.